aquatic animal medicine is a very broad area. It includes not only fish and marine mammals, but also reptiles. You'll see oysters in there and mussels. There are also mammals and other types of birds that live in areas of water. And so it's a very broad topic. I, in particular, like ornamental fish medicine. So these include the fish that you'll see in somebody's home, like goldfish, neon tetras, and also koi ponds, which is a particular interest, and I'd actually like to work in someday. So I really picked this because as a child, I wasn't really allowed to have cats or dogs. My mother was allergic, and we weren't allowed to have them in my apartment. But I was allowed to have fish. So I started out with a small comet and ended up working with a lot of different fish. And it was an area that interested me because they get a lot of different illnesses that we didn't know a lot about when I was younger. Now we know a lot more, but it's such a broad area, and they discover so many new things about fish every day. So I find it really interesting and fascinating for me.